is Artisanette with Cooking Couture Atlanta. Hey, honey. Listen, somebody asked me what was my favorite brand or one of my favorite condiments, or how do I know which one to get? Like to what relish to get, which, honey, My.Olive. This is just the one. This is the one my grandma used. This is what I'm used to. I know what I'm gonna get. I know how it's gonna taste, and I just love it. This is like one of my favorite little brands. Check this out. These pepper rings. Now y'all know I put peppers in everything, but these pepper rings I put in my greens, my cabbage, everything, honey. The flavor, everything. Y'all been adding a little bit of sugar and all that. None of that. Put some of these in your greens. Boom, cabbage. What? Listen, sweet relish, deviled eggs and potato salad. You better stop playing with me, okay? And then we on a diet all the time. No fat, dill pickle spears. We are not playing up in here, let me tell you. And we like it spicy. Now I put a little bit of these in my greens too, a little pinch. I'm telling you, even when I fry my chicken, I put a little of these jalapeno slice. Baby, don't even tell nobody. Give it a nice little kick they don't even know they have. Listen, this the jam for all of my charcuterie boards. I don't be playing. And then my dill relish makes the best tartar sauce ever. But I throw this stuff in everything when I want a little something. Now, y'all know I do that rotel. I'll throw my rotel in. But see, this is like the makings of rotel. I can make my own rotel with this, or I'll do both of them. But that's my jam. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.